Hi, how are you today? I'm Helen. Today I would like to teach you Smartart. First, let me tell you why do we need Smartart. Instead of using table or chart to show the data, you can try to use Smartart. Smartart graphic can help you quickly and easily make a visual representation of your information. You can choose different kinds of Smartart to deliver your message or your idea effectively. Just like you can using hierarchy to show hierarchical information or reporting relationship in an organization, just like the Simpson family tree, like this, or using relationship graph to show a central idea, just like the Lisa Simpson character, like this. Or a cycle graphic, it can help you emphasize the time order clearly. So, let's start our lesson. How to insert a Smartart. First, click Insert. Then try and find the Smartart here. Click it. After clicking it, you will see there are many kinds of them. Like the first is a list, second process, third cycle, fourth hierarchy, fifth relationship, sixth matrix, 7 pyramid, and the last one is picture. Okay, so you can choose one of the type and insert it. So for me, I choose the relationship as my example here, and then click it. After clicking, the Smartart will appear in your interface. You can insert word from this tab or from the box here. So I click it like Lisa, and the words will appear here. If I click here, Amy, and the words will appear here too. So you can also using the tab here to design your Smartart. Like if you want to promote one more column, then you can click Add here. If you don't want this column, you can click Delete here, the minus sign here. And if you want to move up, then you can click the up arrow here. If you want to move the column down, and you can click the down column here. So you can also change the color of the Smartart by click the Smartart design here, and then click change color. If you want to change to orange color, and then you can click it, and the Smartart will change the color. So this is all of the Smartart lesson, and you can try yourself to do a Smartart graphic like this, or like this, or like this. Okay, so this is all for you, and hope you guys like it. Thank you very much.